Your CPM increase when you scale. Do you notice that when you scale, you have some good days, good money, you scale the budget, and then boom, the CPM increase. So today we're gonna see in this video why this happens and what you could actually do. So my name is Moose from Unlimited Scaling. We help e-commerces, brand owners scale their businesses without blocks. So if you get some issues, bans, blocks, something's holding you from actually scaling, you can contact us and we might have a lot of solutions that can help you. So feel free to subscribe to this channel. You will love it. So let's get started. The first reason is that when you increase the budget, Facebook kinds of panic that you're not going to be able to keep up with the orders and customer satisfaction. So that's why Facebook limits you by increasing your CPM. So what would help in that case, and what very few people know, it's to have actually other source of traffic on your website. This way you will send to Meta a good sign that you are a trustable store and they can send you more traffic. It's okay, you're being able to handle the traffic for so many platforms, and you're going to be able to do the same with the traffic also. So when they will see that you are also using Pinterest, TikTok, and Google, and so on, they'll be like, okay, that's a stable business to work on. Let's help them with their performance because they are trustworthy. The second reason is that you may be increasing budget too fast and the algorithm is having trouble finding you that many new clients. So you want to be sure that the audience that you're doing is big enough. And in general, 20% increase of budget is the recommendation to avoid this. Some of you guys will tell me I'm scaling very hard. Some people might be doubling the budget within few hours. There are some strategy like that, like surf scaling. It's okay, like if you have a very big audience, you master what you're doing, it's good. You don't really care about having flags. You know that you can put a lot of budget and you can scale hard. It makes sense. Especially if like you're in an early phase, it's working well. You don't want to go too fast and then you scale and then it dropped and then you scale and then it dropped. It's very frustrating. You rather play it slow and trying to make sure that you have consistent results rather than playing it too fast and then going back to the starting point. Last thing you can do to lower CPM is having engagement under your ads, having PPA campaigns on the same post ID so that your ads have like more likes and comments, and that will be rewarded by Meta because they will lower your CPM, and that's really great for your ads. So if you guys like get too high CPMs and you're looking for a solution to have a stable or lower CPMs, we have many ways to help you actually scale using different tools. Like we have our experts at our team that are auditing your accounts, giving you like strategy insights, collaborating with our direct partners at Meta to make sure that you get the best out of your ads. Because sometimes it's not because of you, it's really because of just a flag of a penalty. It can be because you increased budget too quickly. It can be because you had one of your assets that was connected to a banned asset from one of your team member, from a DMCA that someone might made to you, maybe some batch of ads that you get too much ads rejected and then generated a flag, and then so on and on. All of this can lead to the issue. So it's very important to make sure that everything is clean so you can get the best out of your ads. So the best way to make sure is to check internally the assets and making sure of their good standing and giving you the right insights to help you. So feel free if you have questions about that, CPMs, improving CPMs, you can chat us on WhatsApp or you can check other videos on our channel talking about that topic, and I would love to help you. Okay, let's crush it, let's scale unlimited, and we catch up on the next video. Ciao, ciao.